everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use your iCloud email address with Apple Pay. Whether you're sending money to friends, receiving payments, or simply making sure your Apple Pay account is set up correctly, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is start by opening the Settings app. At the top of the screen, tap your name to access your Apple ID settings. Inside your Apple ID settings, you will see the email address associated with your account, or you can simply click the iCloud, which is going to be your typical iCloud email address. Make sure it's active, that you have access to it. And then after that, you want to make sure to return to the main settings menu and tap Wallet and Apple Pay. If you haven't already added the payment card, select the Add Card and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Now, to send or receive the money through Apple Pay, your iCloud email can be linked to your Apple Cash account. Open the Wallet app, select your Apple Cash card, tap the More button, and review your contact information. And then you need to send money using an iCloud email. So go to the Messages app. Let's say start a conversation with the person you want to pay. If their iCloud email is associated with their Apple ID, you can send money through Apple Pay directly within the conversation. Enter the amount, review the payment, and confirm using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. And remember, when someone sends money to your iCloud email address linked to Apple Pay, you'll receive a notification. Once accepted, the funds will be added to your Apple Cash balance and can be used for future purchases or transferred to a bank account. Remember, make sure you're signed in with the correct Apple ID, keep your iCloud email address up to date, enable two-factor authentication for added security. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to use Apple Pay with your iCloud email address. It's a convenient way to send and receive money while keeping everything connected to your Apple account. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.